I got you, Sean.
I tried to get out of the way.
Hi everybody, Charlie here with the ReCon Shop, and behind me I have a 2020 Dodge Charger with severe hail damage. There has to be some R&I done, and that means removing and installing. This is going to allow us to get our tools in, to get different angles and work this damage from the bottom. The repair on this 2020 Dodge Charger came out fantastic. The ReCon Shop was able to save this original roof and paint job. There's no Bondo or mud in this entire vehicle. If you have even severe hail damage on your vehicle, give the ReCon Shop a call at 512-290-HAIL or look us up online at www.thereconshop.com and click on appointment request.